Hello, good morning students. In my today video of class 7 mathematics, we will continue the exercise 2C. Look at question number 6. Up to 5th number question we have already solved. By selling oranges at rupees 6 sold 3 by 4 per orange. Price of one orange. Price of an orange, that is rupees 6 sold 3 by 4 means 27 by 4 rupees. A man gets rupees 378. How many oranges does he sell? So number of oranges, total money got by him, got by the person, that is 378. Therefore number of oranges sold by him, that is equal to total money got by him, money got by him divided by price of an orange, price of an orange. So here the total money is 378, that is divided by 27 by 4. Now for converting this divide sign into multiply, we make the next fraction reciprocal order. With 9, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36, 9 2 are 18. With 3, 14 times, 14 4 are 56 oranges. Now question number 7 and 8 both are same. So we will look here question number 8. Vikas can cover a distance 20 whole 2 by 3 km in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours on foot. Distance covered by Vikas. Distance covered by Vikas, that is 20 whole 2 by 3 km. 23 is 60 and 2, 62 by 3 km. And time taken to cover the distance, time taken to cover the distance, that is 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. 7 4 are 28 and 3, 31 by 4 hours. How many kilometers per does he walk? Per hour does he? Therefore, his speed is equal to distance upon or distance divided by time. Here the distance is 62 by 3 km, that is divided by the time 31 by 4 hours. It's equal to 62 by 3. Now this divide side we convert into multiply. So the next fraction become reciprocal 4 by 31, that is kilometer, that is 4 by 31 hours. 31 to 62, 4 to 8 by 3 kilometer per hour. Therefore, in 1 hour, he covers the distance 2 whole 2 by 3 kilometer. Now, question number 9 and 9, 10, 11. These three are same. So, we will solve here question number 11. Now, in question number 11, it is given that at a charity, so the price of each ticket was 32 whole 1 by 2. Price of one ticket. Here the price of one ticket that is 32 whole 1 by 2 rupees. 64 and 165 by 2 rupees. That is the price. And the total amount collected by a boy is 877 whole 1 by 2. Total collected amount that is 877 whole 1 by 2. That is 1755 by 2 rupees. Okay. So it is asked in the question how many tickets were sold. So number of sold tickets that is equal to total collected amount that is divided by price of each ticket. So here the total collected amount is 1755 by 2. So this money we have to divide with the price of each ticket, that is 65 by 2. Now 1755 by 2. This divide sign we convert into multiply. The next fraction become reciprocal. 2 to cancel with 13. 13 5 is 65. 13 1 is 13 4. 13 3 is 39 6. 6 5 65. 13 5 is 65 with 5 27 times. So number of sold tickets is here 27 tickets. That's our answer. Now again here question number 12, 13 and 14, these three are same. So we will solve here question number 14. A bucket contains 20 whole 1 by 4 liter of water. Sorry, question number 14 here. Capacity of bucket that is 20 whole 1 by 4 liter. Means 24 is 80 and 1, 81 by 4 liters. And a small jug has a capacity of jug that is 3 by 4 liter. Okay, how many times the jug has to be filled with the water from the bucket to get it emptied? So number of times the jug has to be filled, that is equal to, for that we divide the capacity of bucket by capacity of jug. Capacity of bucket divided by capacity of jug. The capacity of bucket is 81 by 4 liters and the capacity of jug is 3 by 4 liters. So 81 by 4. Now divide sign we have to convert into multiply. The next fraction becomes reciprocal. 4 by 3. 4 4 cancel. 3 27. 27 times the jug has to be filled for emptying the bucket. Now question number 15 and 16 both are same. So we will look here question number 16 here. But before that we have to make it clean. Now in question number 16, by what number should 9 whole 4 by 5 be multiplied to get 42? For here we considered the number be x. Let the number be x. So if 9 whole 4 by 5 is multiplied with x, then the result will be 42 according to question. Now 9 5s are 45 and 4 49 by x implies that into x, that is equal to 42. Therefore the value of x is equal to 49 by 5. Here 49 by 5 in multiply, so when we turn the its position, it turns into divide. 49 by 5. Therefore the value of x is equal to 42. Now this divide sign we are converting it in multiplication, so the next fraction become reciprocal. 7 7 is 49, 7 6 is 42, 6 5 is 30 by 7, that is 4 whole 2 by 7. Therefore required number equals to x is equal to 4 whole 2 by 7. Now in question number 17, it is given that by what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 whole 2 by 3. Again here we consider the number x, let the number be x. Therefore according to question, if 6 whole 2 by 9 is divided by x, then it will be equal to 4 whole 2 by 3. Okay. Now x is here divide, so when we change the side of x, it turns into multiply. First we have to solve this fraction. 9 is a 54 and 2, 56 by 9 is equal to 3 4 is 12 and 2, 14 by 3, or divide x come here, it turns into multiply. Now the both terms are in multiplication, so when we turn the side of 14 by 3, it turns into divide. So 56 by 9 divided by 14 by 3 is equal to x. Now this divide sign we have to convert into multiplication, so the next fraction become reciprocal, is equal to x. 3 3 is 9, 14 4 is 56. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 3, that is 1 whole 1 by 3. Therefore required number equals to 1 whole 1 by 3. Answer. By this way you can complete this exercise 2C. Okay. Thank you for watching.